Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to forensic science and criminology review. In this video, we'll explore forensic science, 10 items review questions, set 6a, to help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, and boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Test your expertise in forensic science. Strengthen your understanding of criminal investigations. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and turn on notifications bell for more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, forensic techniques, and in-depth legal insights. Let's learn, review, and excel together. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Webster's Dictionary defines it as to make impure, corrupt, by contact. A. Evidence pollution. B. Inadmissible evidence. C. Contamination. D. Invalid evidence. One of the popular phrases that Lieutenant Horatio Kane used in CSI Miami series is A. Bag it and tag it. B. Screw evidence. C. Tick and tag that. D. Don't touch that bitch. When two objects come in contact with each other, they exchange trace evidence. A. Loci rule. B. Cabadog's doctrine. C. Pomodoro rule. D. Locard's rule. Statement 1. A. Contaminated evidence can greatly affect the outcome of the criminal case. Statement 2. A. Contaminated evidence definitely cannot be questioned in court. A. Only one is correct. B. Both statements are correct. C. Both statements are incorrect. D. Only two is correct. Statement 1. The collection process will usually start with the collection of the most fragile or most easily lost evidence. Statement 2. Special consideration can also be given to any evidence or objects which need to be moved. A. Only one is correct. B. Both statements are correct. C. Both statements are incorrect. D. Only two is correct. Statement 1. Each time a person enter a crime scene, he not only potentially leave trace evidence behind, but also take evidence away from the scene. Statement 2. When two objects come in contact with each other, they exchange trace evidence is known as the loci rule. A. Only one is correct. B. Both statements are correct. C. Both statements are incorrect. D. Only two is correct. Statement 1. Evidence is packaged to prevent destruction and contamination. Statement 2. New sterile containers, free of contaminants, must be used to package all evidence. A. Only I is correct. B. Both statements are correct. C. Both statements are incorrect. D. Only two is correct. Statement 1. Evidence containers must be sealed at the crime scene. Statement 2. Transportation of the evidence from the scene requires special consideration. A. Only one is correct. B. Both statements are correct. C. Both statements are incorrect. D. Only two is correct. Statement 1. Some evidence, particularly biological evidence, may be sensitive to absolute temperature or fluctuations in temperature. Statement 2. Provisions must be made to properly store the evidence. A. Only one is correct. B. Both statements are correct. C. Both statements are incorrect. D. Only two is correct. Which of the following is not an example of evidence collection? A. Impression evidence collection. B. Biological evidence collection. C. Latent print evidence collection. D. Expression evidence collection. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.